Hello,
Hello, please introduce yourself.
my name is Simone. I'm from Melbourne in Australia,
Mhm.
and I have come to Mongolia to visit for a short time with my husband who's here for work.
Wow,
And
congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. And I have enjoyed being in Mongolia. I've been to Ulaanbaatar and Өдрүүдэд, and we'll go to Tirel. And I love meeting lots of Mongolian people, and always want to find out why Mongolians are so happy and such peaceful people who enjoy life so much.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for your question.
Yes.
Wow, why
Yes.
Mongolians? How Mongolians are very happy, yes?
Yes,
Ah,
because in the world today, it's hard to find such happiness. So
Can
it's-
be, yes.
everyone I've met has been very, very happy, and very helpful, very polite, and it's just been wonderful.
Wow, thank you. And then, Simone, thank you for your accept to have this short video with you and to telling your story. And then I very appreciate your this trip into Mongolia with your husband. And then because you are, I understand, because you are lifting your husband to have a nice trip in different country. And without you, your husband can be little boring. Yes, and then you are lifting and you are giving energy and to your husband. And then I very appreciate your accept and coming to our, not only to our family, coming to Mongolia, yes? And then very appreciate. And then on this video, can you say very little about your city, Melbourne?
Melbourne. So Melbourne is one of the second biggest city in Australia after Sydney. It is our most multicultural city. So we have lots of people from lots of different cultures. We're a sporty city. So a lot of sporting events, most international sporting events are in Melbourne. And we love our arts and culture and coffee.
And coffee. yes?
Coffee.
Wow.
Very much a coffee cafe culture. We have very hot summers and for Australia quite cold winters, but not,
Good to know.
not like Mongolia
Wow.
winter.
And then appreciate for your very brave and very valuable introduction. Wow, about
you.
Melbourne. Wow.
Thank you.
And very sorry, my finger is always is. If it is higher, it means one more question. Sorry.
Okay. One more question.
Simone, and what I really want to know, what do you do in Australia for you? Yes.
For me, I work in addition to being a wife. I'm a mother of two grown boys, but I work in community development. So I do a lot of work with different communities. So I manage a community centre, and we provide adult education, support for the community. We have a lot of new Australians in our community, so we teach English and teach work skills and have a lot of social activities and opportunities to improve and learn and get together and meet people so that people can live their best lives.
Wow. Thank you. Appreciate.
Thank
Appreciate. Your that energy more improvised or increased by your this Mongolian trip. I hope, yes.
Yes.
Wow. За тэгээд манай сайхан шинэ зочинтой Simone гэдэг энэ зочинтой сайхан танилцсанд баярлалаа. I said our audience, thank you for your watching us and meeting with Simone from Australia. Yes. Wow. So have a good day.
Thank you.